front of you, the entire view of the Strath to the Murray coast and beyond is something quite special. And hopefully weather conditions and visibility today will permit you to enjoy it. Panoramic views are weather dependent, but hopefully to the left, facing down the hill, you can see the large glacial eroded corrie, Corrie Cass. The name Corrie Cass, which is translated from the Gaelic language, means steep hollow. All the names of the mountains and glens in the surrounding area are of Gaelic origin, but some have been anglified over the years. Within Corrie Cass there is a small network of footpath trails for you to enjoy, which is started at the car park. You can get more information about these walking routes from the ranger base, which is situated in the base station. Further afield and directly ahead, Glenmore may be visible, along with Lochmorland. Both of these areas offer many attractive walks and cycle paths, which are generally protected from the worst of the weather by the forest.
Looking ahead and down the track, you may be able to see the passing loop. The passing loop is exactly halfway along the 1.8-kilometre length of track. It is the only section of double track on the route, and the only time when the carriages come close together. There are two carriages, and they are connected by a steel pole. At the passing loop, the carriages always pass on the same side. Carriage 1 always passes on the right going down.
I live in Newbury, near Oxford.
The Cairngorm funicular railway was constructed over a period of 3 years and is one of the more recent to be built in this country. Special design considerations had to be included to help the structure cope with the extreme weather that occurs in these mountains. The Victorians introduced funiculars to the UK, and they take their name from the Latin word for a rope, funis. Each carriage weighs a total of 15 tons. That's the equivalent of about 12 family cars, and can carry a maximum of 120 passengers standing. This is a bit of a squeeze during the busy days in winter, and we've reduced this capacity for a more comfortable summer journey. The transport system is powered by two 500-kilowatt motors, which are located at the top station. Each carriage is attached to a haul rope, while a lighter counter rope is also attached to the carriages to form a complete loop. The counter rope maintains the tension in the pulling system. As the carriage at the bottom is hauled up, so the top carriage descends, very much like a lift. As one goes up, the other one goes down. The carriages are connected by the ropes and can only move at the same time. The whole system is operated by computer from the control room at the top.
Moving back to the landscape, many visitors ask about the fencing on the mountain. This fencing is critical to gathering snow on the ski runs in winter. As the snow falls in the wind, it is blown into the fences and drifts build up along the lee side. Snow moving machines called piece machines then move the drifted snow from the side of the fences, spread it out and pack it down on the ski runs. Red grouse and ptarmigan can often be seen sheltering behind the fencing on stormy days, providing an alternative to the mountain woodland scrub habitat which is now absent from most of Scotland.
When the snow does eventually melt, it reveals a number of footpath trails, including the Old Abilities Trail and the Lower Cass Loop, which leads on to the Corrie Cass Mountain Trail. These footpaths have been designed to allow visitors to discover the mountain in relative safety and in their own time. If you are very lucky, from these paths you can see most of the plants, animals and birds that inhabit these high parts. As we approach the end of our journey, on the left-hand side looking downhill is the Mountain Garden and Camera Obscura building. The Mountain Garden has been developed to display and demonstrate some of the amazing plant and tree communities which can be found here in the high Cairngorm Mountains. On behalf of the staff here at Cairngorm, we thank you for being with us today and hope that you have enjoyed your visit. We look forward to welcoming you, your friends and family back again sometime in the future, and we wish you a safe onward journey.